Hey gang, Puppy here. This is a shameless, positive review of a product. If you're 63 years old like I am, and you're bemoaning the fact that canned foods don't taste the same as they did when you were a kid, maybe you're thinking your memory's not so good. Wrong. All that stuff did taste better when you were a kid because it was better then. And you see that it says throwback recipe. This is the way this stuff tasted when I was a kid. You could feel the particles of meat when you were chewing on them. They were, and there was that much of them. And they actually were putting some cheese in it then. It says meat and tomato or tomato and meat, but I can taste the Parmesan. Anyway, do you want good ravioli out of a can? Like you remember when you were a kid? This is the stuff. Oh yeah.